Hello, welcome to Learn Report. This is the continuation video of bubble sorting part 3. Let's begin. So here I already made the base one, right? We are having a if function and we are having an array and a bubble sort function and we are going to print it on it. So without this, let's see what happens. Let's just run it. So we are having an unsorted array, right? So let's make it shorter with the use of bubble sort. So first thing we want is n, which is the size. I mean L, like length of the array, right? So second thing we need a loop. You can work if you are a genius. You can like make this bubble shot a little more harder for the viewers to read. You can make it in a while loop, but I prefer for loop. Sorry, I in range. Sorry, range. Yeah, I in range for n. Got it? So here we need a variable which is swapped. So we need to check na ki if, as you can see, if no swap is occurred, we need to break that up. Otherwise, it will check this and this also, right? So we need to break here. So that's why we need that swap variable. Got it? Yeah. So first of all, we will take a like false or true. Yeah, true. Okay. So we need another for loop, which is for j. I mean j in. Here you need to be careful. Here I'm going to run till I minus 1. Why I did this? Why I did? See, on the first one, yeah, on this first pass, I mean the first for loop is completely run. The first, well, like we got the first one, which is already sorted. So we don't need to check again and again, right? It will increase our time capacity. So that's why we are going till here. And the second pass, we are going till here. And the third pass, we are going till here. Got it? So that's why it's a little bit cold here. Okay. So first thing we need to do is make an if function, right? Which will say I like j if it is greater than array j plus one. There is a plus one, right? Like minus one. Like this plus one is to make sorry, this minus one is make sure that our range, like our for loop, don't get an error which is out of range, right? So that's why we use that. If it is greater, so we will simply swap it like j for the Python. Guys, it is very easy to swap, and for the rest of the things, like rest of languages, there may be we need a swap function, or you can use within the if statement, right? So array j plus one, and we are swapped, right? So that's it. And the again thing, again we need to swap is equal to false. We need to make sure, na, yeah, there's then swap occurred, and if not, then we are going to break it. So if swap, if the swap is not occurred, the value of swapped will be true. So this if statement will be run, right? So we are going to break it over here. That's it. Simple. Very simple. That's why everyone loves this bubble shot. It's very quite easy to learn. So now let's run this. Please continue with the next video. Thank you. There is no subscriber in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, nobody is subscribing to me. Okay, guys, and don't forget to click the bell icon and like this channel. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a nice day.